Number 2. Fellow Opus Conical Burr Grinder. You'll find the Fellow Opus Conical Burr Grinder to be a game changer in your coffee making routine. This grinder doesn't just grind coffee beans, it covers everything from true espresso to cold brew with 41+ precise settings. The 6-blade, 40mm conical burr, set along with a powerful motor, effortlessly delivers outstanding consistency and flavor. Your taste buds won't just taste coffee, they'll taste excellence. Grinding is smooth and mess-free thanks to its anti-static technology and spouted catch. Nothing ruins a morning faster than coffee grounds everywhere. The volumetric dosing lid is a genius addition. It measures beans for up to 12 cups of brewed coffee, ensuring you always have the right amount. There's also a grind guide under the load bin lid, ideal for beginners who need a little extra help finding their perfect cup. Adjustments are simple with the inner ring, allowing for fine tunes. Calibration keeps settings intact without any tools, a rarity in most grinders. Plus, its drop-down design minimizes grind retention. One thing you might notice is that the grinder isn't whisper quiet. But considering its power and capabilities, you'll find the noise level acceptable. What makes this grinder exceptional is how Fellow combines beautiful design with flawless functionality. Your countertop stays spotless, your coffee tastes consistent, and the ease of adjustments makes it second to none. Aside from a bit of noise, there's not much to dislike. In a market flooded with options, the Fellow Opus Conical Burr Grinder stands out as the best, quietest coffee grinder. It's a perfect blend of design, functionality, and practicality, enticing coffee lovers to explore its features further. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.